It's your boy J Will back with another video. I'm gonna show you guys what affiliate marketing money can do. Back here on another mini vacation. Just a quick 2-day vacation. By myself. Hotel, laptop lifestyle. Alright, I'm at the hotel lobby right now. Down at the bar. Drinking. Sipping, vibes right, but I'm gonna show you guys how I made this money on Digistore with Google Ads. If you guys been following my last videos, you know, just giving you guys an update. Let's get it. All right, let's go to the Google. Google, as you see today, I received 25 clicks at 161 impressions. Spent about 86 bucks today. October 27th. See, 86 bucks. I mean, today I made 257. So we go to the calculator. We take 257 minus 86. Today we are in profit at 171 bucks. Now, for example, let's say we made 171 a day online. Time 30 days in a month. That would make you 5,130 bucks. That's a full-time income. Full-time income at home. I posted a picture earlier showing my last 5 days, how much I made. Came about to about $18.87. These are the last 5 days right here. As you can see, we're gonna go back to Google account. We're gonna go back to the last 5 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Spent about 570 bucks. Just swing up here. I can do it on the calculator live. Let's see, 257 plus 334 plus 396 plus 725 plus 217 equals 1929. Take that minus 570. So far we're in profit $13.59 for the last 5 days. So as you can see, we're in pure profit this week so far. It hasn't even been a week, it's only been 5 days. So they have 2 more days left on running this campaign to see how much we can make this week. If you don't know how to set this campaign up, I have a video. Probably my last 3-4 videos is setting up this specific campaign. I'm not going to show you guys again because you can go back and watch my old video, but in the meantime, I need you guys to like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. If you have any questions, just leave it in the description below, comment section, and I'll get back to you.